Hey guys, welcome to SC Custom Designs, where we are on site and locale of my entryway room. Our house is from 1903 or so, and it's got some issues, as you can see here, where the plaster has loosened itself from the lath. And that's the old system they used back then. Now we have this gypsum board that has been in circulation for quite a few years now. So I am a one-man show, and so basically, while I can get some help here and there, I'd like to know that I can come up with a system where I can do it myself. So this is a tip on if you've got to rock by yourself, you can actually handle it and do it. So I'll break this down. It's probably pretty obvious to you how it works, but let's break it down. Level one, when we're taking our rock, we're going to climb our ladder, and we're going to very carefully set it on top of this post and this post, or this rail and this rail. Then once it's sitting there securely, we're going to take this little jig and we're going to slide that across the 2x4 there and get as close to the middle as we can. That was version 1. I actually have version 2 I'm going to show you shortly. And that's going to bring you this much. What does that even mean? This is going to bring you about a ½ an inch or less to the roof. So it's, I believe it's about a ¼ inch. So now I can very easily screw the sheetrock to the plaster and lath. And what I've done is I removed, so we know where the studs are up there, not the studs, but the joist, if that's what you call them. I took the trim down, that's sitting here, all right, and then I marked with these little triangles or arrows where they are. Where are the boards that are up above so the lath can be attached. And so I've got that marked out on both sides. So I don't know if it's obvious, but it's along here, and then, here. It was a little trickier to figure out this guy because he's on an angle. All right, so then we come along over here, same thing with the angle here, and I've got it marked out. So that's how I know. Plus, you get a chance to grab the actual lath. So if you're very careful about it and you're pushing your rock up as you're screwing it, all right, you can grab some of that lath and pull it through, meaning seat the screws, because you know they have to be seated, can't go all the way through. So I'm trying to, oh, here it is. Here's the modification. I tend to do things a little bit overkill. That's why I had 4 pieces of board there. So the after jig is like this, so the modified one. So I can just simply slide this just like so up there, and it sits there just like this. So now I have the rock once again, instead of what looks like about 12 inches. And this is a 9-foot ceiling, by the way. And let's take a closer look at my simple stilts. This is the second version of these stilts that I make. Very, very simple construction out of 2x4s that helped me to get the job done. So once again, if you're working by yourself and you don't have an opportunity to get the help, but the work needs to be done, so this is the answer. So thanks for watching this short video. If you like what you see, please tell others about us, our channel, and subscribe to our channel. We'd appreciate that. Thumbs up, thumbs down, let us know why, and we'll try to improve. And by all means, go ahead and leave your comments. We have an international audience because it's the internet after all. And I'd like to hear what your thoughts are, and what your ideas are. So you're used to seeing woodworking videos, but I decided that I would go ahead and share this tip. So, all right, I have one piece up there and 9 more to go. Thanks for watching SC Custom Designs. Oh, yes, I meant to say that leave your comments and we'll definitely get back to you. We love to hear from you and dialogue with you. And so you can ask your questions and I'll try to answer them. So again, what I like to do with SC Custom Designs videos is learn with you. And you can learn with me and we can bounce ideas off of each other. So thanks again, guys and gals. Really appreciate you taking the time, and take care and happy holidays.